Buchner Manufacturing was incorporated in 1976 and has steadily grown into an industry leader in manufacturing quality building supplies. It started out as the brainchild of Jerry Buchner as a means to supply himself with superior product for his own installation jobs. As the business grew, focus shifted from installations to manufacturing. Today, Buchner Manufacturing focuses on manufacturing high-quality aluminum and steel exterior building supplies, such as eave trough, pipe, soffit fascia, roofing, and much more. Distinctive features of Buchner Manufacturing products are quality and ease of handling and installation, because they are made with the end user in mind. The company supplies distributors around the world and has branch locations in Peffalo, Newmarket, North Bay, Owen Sound, and Kingston, Ontario. With the perfect balance of price and quality and a heavy emphasis on customer service, the team at Buchner Manufacturing can accommodate almost any building need.